Hello everyone, class 11. This session is for you. Today's topic is coordinate geometry, that is straight lines. Okay. Now this is straight lines in two-dimensional geometry. Straight line in two-dimensional, 2D. Okay. Now what is a straight line? If a point moves on a plane in a given direction, then its locus is called a straight line. That means say a point P, it moves in this direction. So this is a point P, it moves towards A. Then PA is a straight line. What is the definition? If a point moves on a plane, this is a plane surface on a plane in a given direction, then its locus is called a straight line. Locus means what? It's locus of P. Locus of P means the path of P. The path traced out by the point P. Path of P which is traced out by the point P. Okay, towards A. Direction should be there. This is towards A. So this is known as the straight line. Okay, so if it moves to this direction, then straight line will be in this direction. If it moves in this direction, straight line will be this. It moves in this direction, it will be like this. It can move this direction. This is also a straight line. Okay, now now we have to find what is the slope or gradient of the straight line. What is the slope or gradient of the straight line? Slope or gradient of the straight line means what? That means on the x-axis, x-axis drawn should be a straight line. X-axis, say this is xo x dashed and yo y dashed. Both the axes drawn. Y dash. Say a straight line like this. Say AB, a straight line makes an angle theta to the positive direction of x-axis. Say a straight line AB makes an angle theta to the positive direction of x-axis. Then the tangent of this angle, that means tan theta. This is known as the slope of the tan theta, implies the slope or gradient of the straight line. Okay, then the gradient of a line or which is not and the line should not be parallel to y-axis. Okay, what is that? This is just a trigonometrical tangent of the angle which the line makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. Okay. Now, the slope of a line is usually denoted by m. So, what we will write? Then m is equal to tan theta. Normally, we denote tan theta or m for slope or gradient equals to m equals to tan theta. Now, we have to find the value of tan theta. How to find the value of tan theta? Okay. We'll use the same axis. No need to rub this. Only I will rub with this part. Okay. Let us draw a straight line. A straight line drawn. Let this straight line makes an angle theta here to the positive direction of x-axis. And let us take 2 points. One is P, another is Q. Say P, this is x1. Another point take as Q on the straight line with the coordinate x2, y2. Now from the point Q, draw a perpendicular QM, and from the point P, draw another perpendicular, that is PN. Okay. Now what we will write then, again from the point Q draw another perpendicular to PN, that is, say this is PR. Okay, done. Now what is then, we have to find tan, since this is theta and Q are parallel to OX, then obviously this angle should be theta. What did I say? If this angle is theta and XO, X dash and this QR, these two lines are parallel, this straight line is the transversal. So what we can say? We can say angle PQR is also theta. Now from the triangle PQR, from the triangle PQR, what we can say? Tan theta. Tan theta will be what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is PR and base is QR. So PR by QR. What is PR? PR means the whole PN minus RN. Okay. So what we will write? That is equals to PN minus RN divided by QR. QR means this one, that is equals to ON minus OM. Okay, that is equals to ON minus OM. QR equals to PR equals to this, and QR means MN. MN means ON minus OM. So PN is what? PN, according to the coordinate, PN is Y1. So it's coming Y1 minus Y2. And ON, according to the coordinate, is coming X1 minus, this is coming X2. So what is the coordinate now? So tan theta or M is equals to, therefore M is equal to Y1 minus Y2 by X1 minus X2. M equals to Y1 minus Y2 by X1 minus X2. Remember this. Okay, this is equals to M. Got it? Now this is equals to M, or we can say this is equals to tan theta. Remember this. Always remember. Now slope of x-axis or that of line parallel to x-axis is always 0. Why? This is part 1. This is 2. What did I say? Slope of x-axis. Slope of x-axis means this is x-axis. This is x. X-axis slope means what? Slope of x-axis, always we find the slope which makes an angle tangent of the angle which makes with positive direction of x-axis. The angle between x-axis and x-axis should be 0. So what we will write? Slope of x-axis. Slope of x-axis, that will be obviously tan 0 degree. Theta will be 0. So it is coming tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree is 0. So slope of x-axis or the line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. That means if the straight line is this, what is the slope of this straight line? Slope of this straight line means the straight line which makes an angle with x-axis positive. There is no angle formed. So when no angle formed means 0 degree formed. So this is again or parallel to x-axis. Slope of x-axis or the line parallel to x-axis, always the tangent will be what, that tan theta or slope of this type of line will be 0. Okay. Now what is slope of y-axis, that of a line parallel to y-axis? Obviously undefined. Why? Slope of y-axis means what? This is y-axis and this is x-axis. What is the y-axis makes an angle? Which angle y-axis makes with x-axis positive direction? 90 degree. Okay. So what is the slope of y-axis? Slope of y-axis or parallel to y-axis. The line parallel to y-axis, any line which is parallel to y-axis is again, it will form 90 degree to the positive direction of x-axis. Okay. So what is the slope of this kind of lines? Will be tan 90 degree. Theta is 90 degree here. Here theta equals to 90 degree. Here theta equals to 0. Here theta equals to 90 degree. So tan 90, we know this is undefined. This is undefined. Okay. Now, the different forms of the equation of a straight line. We know equation of x-axis 1, 2, 3. Now, part 3 is equation of x-axis. Equation of x-axis, we know that is equation of x-axis implies y equals to 0. Similarly, equation of the line parallel to x-axis, y equals to constant. Remember this. And equation of y-axis implies x equal to 0. Similarly, equation of the line parallel to y-axis, x equal to constant. Just remember this part. Okay. Now different forms coming with new video.